This guy's would fly. No. Is that your freaking kill catchphrase? What the
Toilet stall.
Huh?
You missed stall.
So? No, make sure you wash your hands when you're done. I'd imagine the toilet stall in a pelican is filthy. What does that even mean?
You should do that all like California girl. Have you never?
Yeah. Have you never done undercover work before? I'm pretty sure I saw you submit a healthy expense report on the supposed stealth killing seminar.
Question mark?
Because I think everything's a question.
More heart.
What do you mean more heart? Hebe, is our reception committee ready for these guys? What the
Skills, do that Pauly Shore style.
Don't squeeze the Charmin!
The via hologram. Excellent work, Grabowski. Patch me through.
Excellent work, Roberta. Patch me through. Wiener dog team. Then it's me. All me, baby.
Was that Coltrane?
yeah. It's all me. Woo! Please, then it's me. All me, baby.
And more pauses. You skip the pauses.
Don't be stupid. It's the 26th century. It's a transport shuttle.
What is it, Captain
Buses
Kirk?
are so 600 years ago. Silence! That was more like the...
Maybe not that loud.
Silence!
No, that's terrible.
Yeah, your silence sounded like that Sega commercial.
Silence!
Why is his name Pelican? Wait, my name is Pelican.
No, Pelican is the name of the ship.
That's a stupid name.
The Pelican is a ship.
Why is it named...
Moonbase is a place.
Why?
Jesse is a person.
Why is it named Pelican?
That's just the name
It's a
of
stupid bird. Why don't they name it Hawk,
Pelican is an awesome vehicle.
Eagle?
Testing.
Wait, I gotta think. I'm Princess Leia. Help us, Obi-Wan. You're our only hope. Meow. 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 Why do you want me to talk with the southern accent? Yes, you are. Loud and strong. It's loud and strong. This is how they talk on the BBC. Very calmly. Soothing. Even when talking about murders.
They have many occasions proven to be nothing to be more than gutless killers.
That's page 6.
No, it's not. It's page... Okay, it's page 6. Okay.
It's like I'm whipping you. I get
Hold on. I do gotta go get some dip. Give me 2 minutes. I'll be right back.
Alright.
I'm afraid you didn't understand. Yet Sue tries to thwart her attempt to leave you. Oh. I don't know what this "ah's" supposed to be.
Ah.
Uh-oh. Y'all boys better put your bootstraps on the road again. Something down the road again. There. How's that?